Before we start, I want to thank all of you because... And so, Jane allowed me to get that. No more overstuffed trunk for us. Anyway, let's get our trip started.
와, 예쁘다. 와.
You're gonna just put the lamp here?
귀뚜라미 같아 다닌다.
This campground provides a canvas tent with a bug screen that's perfect for waking up with a river view. But we wanted a little more customization. 셋업하자 이거.
잠시만. 저쪽으로 갔어야 됐나 봐. 그러면은 이쪽에서 시작해서 이렇게 해놓고 여기를 이렇게 팡팡팡 들어야 되나?
So we're starving. Alright, now that we have the fire going, we can finally cook dinner.
하나 먹어. 이제 벌레들을 못 봐. 위에 거미도 있어.
Alright, so I see this thing, and I already bought myself a fishing license, so I'm gonna try to catch a few of them. I guess I'll try to catch all the fish that I can catch in fall or summer. This is autumn, right? So there's an air mattress. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep our sleeping pad deflated, just put it on top of the air mattress, and then use the sleeping bag as a blanket.
저거 죽여줘.
What?
됐어? 저 뒤에도, 제인 뒤에도.
Oh gosh. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god. That's comfortable. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here for tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. I was fishing when we got ourselves a friendly visit from the host of the campground, Richard. He brought us these eggs that he got from his chickens. Do you raise the chicken yourself?
Yep. Yep.
And showed us this picture.
This was here? Yeah. See, that's that mountain right there. It was right in here.
Oh my god.
That's a big fish.
So the first fishing attempt. No fish, nothing yet. But I am getting hungry, so we're gonna try to get some breakfast, and then we are going to try again. For today's breakfast, we're gonna have grilled cheese. But before we do any of that, I'm gonna change. Every time I cook in a lighter colored clothes, I get like stains on it. Jane's always mad at me for that.
왜 그래?
Jane.
맛있어.
Jane, from 1 to 10, How good is this grilled cheese?
7.5.
Yeah, I'm satisfied with that. So this is African coffee. The coffee plant was grown in Kilimanjaro mountain. It is washed, processed. Really good coffee. Thank you, Daniel and Eunice. So what I like doing is I like to just brew a really strong cup of coffee and then just dilute it with hot water. Look, I tried really hard, but I couldn't get anything. I lost like 3 sinkers, 3 hooks. I tried using a floater and that didn't really work either. Yeah, I don't know. I heard there are some American eels and you're supposed to use pork. I tried tossing in a few pork. Yeah, they're still there. So I don't know. It just feels like there's nothing going on. Maybe it's the wrong time of the day. We're just gonna have lunch.
와우. 숟가락은 뭐지? 괜찮아?
I'm gonna try going over there because I don't know. Every time I cast it here around the campsite area, I got nothing. Crossing my fingers.
Hello there.
This has got to be one of the most unsatisfying video that you guys ever watched. I'm sorry, but I'm still new at this, and there are good days, there are bad days. There's also the beginner's luck factor last time. But the good news is the fire is perfect for steak. Look at that. And also I've been doing a lot of research on how to make the best steak. So let me show you what I've learned. You want to start with olive oil, and when it starts smoking, you add a little more olive oil just until it stops smoking again. That means the temperature is ready for the steak. I pre-seasoned the steak, but make sure you sprinkle salt at least 45 minutes before grilling for a better Maillard reaction. And now flip the steak every 30 seconds. I used to flip it just once, until I found out that this was debunked more than 30 years ago. They say flipping the steak every 30 seconds retained more internal moisture while developing a strong crust. Now finally, add some butter, rosemary and garlic, and baptize the steak for about 30 to 60 seconds. This was cooked for about 5 minutes for medium well. And it looks like it didn't get enough sear, but it's so soft and juicy. If you know a better way, maybe share in the comments. 자, 이제 스몰 먹어볼까?
아하.
Some organic marshmallows.
이거 시나몬이네?
Yeah, they had honey and cinnamon, and I was like, honey's gonna be too sweet. Let's go with cinnamon.
나 시나몬
We
좋아하는데.
got simple milk chocolate.
맛있겠다.
You ready for this?
Yes.
You just want it like really warm and toasty.
물면 토스티.
That's too toasty. That's too toasty.
Toasty.
See, don't let it smoke.
불 붙는다.
See, that's bad.
Mine is good. 향 진짜 좋다. 뭐 하는 거야? 어떡해.
Cheers.
만약에 실패했으면 다시 또 하자. 나 먹어볼게요. 시나몬 너무 좋아. 맛있다, 스모글. 나 원래 안 먹는데.
You know what that means? You're Americanized now. Are you ready for this?
네. Thank you.
Oh, this is so good too.
진짜 맛있다.